Hey, Wolf here. Today's video is a little different. Today we're going to talk about a social problem which is happening in all around the world. The water crisis. How to use them, how to reuse the water at your home, and how to save the humanity. Welcome to the world of facts. As the population rises, the water levels around the globe are going down. So what we have to do, we have to save water to save the humanity and our children. But that's not enough. We should take some practical steps in order to save the water, and that is what we're going to discuss in this video. Keep watching until end. First of all, we should know that there are two types of wastewaters. The one known as black water and the other known as the gray water. What is the difference? The black water is the water which comes out of our sewage system, and it has toxics, it is intoxicant, and it cannot be reused. It is very difficult to reprocess it. It has our feces, urine, and other important and very dangerous elements which cannot be reused. So this type of water we'll keep aside, and let's consider the other type of water, which is the gray water. The gray water is less toxic. It can be reused, and it must be reused in order to save the humanity. It is the water which comes out of our sinks, when we take shower, the water which goes out, and the water which comes out of our washing machine, for example, or dishwasher. How we can use this water, let's discuss. We have four different methods to use it. The first type of gray water is the water which comes out of our air conditioners. What air conditioner does, they take the humidity of the room, they compress it, and then they make the dry air out, that is the colder air, and the water that is condensed comes out by the back hole of the air conditioner. So that water, we can still use it. It's not useless, and we should not throw it. And if it's a hot day, 5 to 10 liters of water can be made in one day. That's natural saved water that we should reuse. Where we can use it, we can wash our dishes with it. We can use it in the toilet, or we can give it to the plants. The second type of gray water which can be used is the RO filter exhaust water. RO filter exit water is the water which we cannot drink it. Certainly we cannot cook with it, but that water can be used in the toilet, or it can be used to wash the dishes, or even it can be used in the plants. So this type of water is, if used properly, it's a saved water. The third type of gray water, it is the water which comes out of our washing machines. This water cannot be used for drinking, it cannot be used for making the food, but this water can be used for washing dishes, can be used for the toilet, and it can be used for the plants, considering it that the water does not contain toxic elements such as bleach. The last type of gray water is the water which is commonly found in all the households, which usually goes down the drain and it is wasted. That is the water when we wash our hands, or we wash our dishes, or we wash our clothes. This type of water, if can be collected properly, can be reused. So what we can do to collect it? Let's say if we take a shower, we can try to take a shower in a tub, in a bathtub, and then that water can be collected and reused. Otherwise, if we are washing our dishes in the kitchen, we can try to somehow manage to save that water. Maybe we can intervene the drainage pipe, we can cut it up, and we can collect that water in a bucket, and then this water can be used for plants. It can be used for our flush. These are four very basic tips which we can do at the home very easily, and it can save us like 10 to 15 liters water a day. And when we collect it up, then we will know that this is a very big amount of water, and this can be saved at this time of point, and that can be used in the future. At the end, let me tell you the fastest rule to save the water. That is to do not use it unnecessarily. At the end, I would like to thank Dhruv, Rathee. I have got the idea from his video to educate more people, because that's not just the problem with India, but throughout the world, and we need to work together to save the world, to save the planet, to save the humanity for the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.